TV down. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I just want to take a minute to say hello. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, post a comment, let me know what you think, and hit the notification bell so that you can find out what's going on over here every single day. I do give a daily word every morning between 8 and 9, and then during the course of the day or during the course of the week, some other things, especially a weight loss journey. But for now, let me give a shout out to Leilani's Kitchen. Let me give a shout out to Leilani's Kitchen. I was over there watching one of her unboxings, and I love popcorn, particularly chocolate flavored popcorn, or the popcorn that's drizzled in chocolate. Sam's Club has some, and it is so good. Matter of fact, I found some of it in Walgreens, but they're all tied in together. Walmart, Walgreens, Sam's Club. That's another story. So this is just a little short video of an unboxing that I'm doing. Here's my box. Make sure I'm not, showing any pertinent information on there. And so she was talking about this chaos popcorn and talk about the power of influence. Didn't I go and order some sweet chaos popcorn? Sweet chaos popcorn. And this is a birthday cake remix. And it's ironically by Cold Stone, who makes ice cream. And so it looks like it has popcorn, pretzels, and some other stuff. So that's called the birthday cake mix. And then this one is chocolate double drizzle with sea salt. Homemade kettle popcorn with chocolatey double drizzle, okay? So because I love popcorn, the drizzle popcorn, I have 2 of those. I know, with the whole keto. All right, so it has, let's see, 19 carbs and 2 grams of fiber. So when you subtract that, it's 17 carbs per 1.5 cups. That's not too bad. 17 carbs per 1.5 cups. Just be mindful. This is about 5 servings. They're saying this is 1.5 cups, about 5 servings. All right, so yeah, so you definitely gotta stretch it, I don't know about y'all, but I could be sitting at the computer, munch, 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 and before you know it, all 5 of these servings will be gone, okay? And that's look, that's a lot. Okay, that's about 85 carbs. If you eat the whole bag, that's 85 carbs. And it's 120 calories. Keto, we don't so much count calories as we do carbs and fiber and fat. Okay? Fat is not a bad thing. So that's it. I just wanted to show y'all what I got in my little box. Chocolatey drizzle, chocolatey double drizzle, and sweet chaos. Sweet chaos birthday cake remix. Thank you, Leilani. All right. Y'all have a blessed day and a purpose-filled life. And you know that with that, agape love. Be blessed.